Hello, my fellow grocery addict, it's Jackie, and today we're going to a fun new local Michigan type store. It's not necessarily new, but it's at a new location. Horrocks is like if you take a traditional grocery store and it's a hybrid with a farmer's market. They're known for their fresh produce. They have really unique selections, lots of gourmet items, high end, and I haven't been since I was a kid. Funny story, when I was younger, we used to every single 2 weeks, we would pack up my family of 5 and we go to Aldi and then we go to Horrocks. And to be honest, back then I hated it, but now I love grocery shopping. So maybe that's where it all started. But Horrocks is one of the places we would go. And now my family of 5, we are all heading there and we're gonna have a fun grocery haul. We are not only having fun checking it out and seeing what it is, I've heard so many awesome things about it, but every single person in my family gets to pick a salty item, a sweet item, and a drink, and we're letting the kids and ourselves pick whatever we want. So I'm kind of excited to see what people find. They're known for their unique offerings, and I'm excited to get into the store, share it with you guys, discover it myself, and see what goodies we come up with. Who's ready? Me. Calvin? Grabbing a cart. It has a beverage holder because you can drink beer and wine here while you're shopping. They really represent a lot of countries and unique items. So much produce. A lot of it's locally grown. You can buy flats of strawberries. Oh, you see jackfruit? Oh yeah. I see dragon fruit.
You do? This is the perfect one.
$7.
They're $5 at Fresh Time.
They have this really giant bulk foods area, soup mix, everything from dried beans, lentils, peas, poppy seeds, dried garbanzo beans. Wow, $1.79 a pound. Wheat bulgur, lots of different items that are hard to find elsewise. Black lentils. I'm gonna have to come here without kids. This is too much for me to take in one time, or with kids. So many cool things. Even dates, nuts, dried items, seeds, fine rice flour. Spot where you can get bulk honey and make your own peanut butter. Really nice. That one sounds like some people would love that. Dark chocolate with peanuts. Almond butter, honey roasted peanut butter. Milled oats, honey, different mushrooms, spice jars. Really could spend a lot of time here weighing out your own spices. Okay, so this is not part of anyone's pick, but I need lemons this week for my grocery haul, and I'm gonna get them here. I'm gonna get 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Thanks, bud. This cart smells amazing. So many fresh flowers. There are so many areas of these unique, like, different candy offerings. Elsie and I are tempted, right, Els? Yes. Mini Reese's Pieces. Lots of popcorns, you can sample them. Lots of different flavors all around, and they have sample jars all over. Matt, you got lemon slices? Nice. Can you see, guys? Okay. Another absolute favorite of mine, maple nut, yum, or I love chocolate covered sunflower seeds. I'm getting hungry here. Oh my gosh, and they have chocolate covered gummy bears too. They have all these gourmet caramel apples that we saw them making. I think Elsie might be interested in that. Oh, look at these guys, chocolate covered strawberries. Okay, there's lots of different fudges they have here too, by the pound of course. These are the prettiest chocolate covered strawberries I've ever seen in my life. So we ended up changing where everyone could pick 2 sweets because there's so many things we want to try. So I think the girls are maybe doing strawberries and maybe a caramel apple. Good pick, Elsie K. This is not going to be cheap. but it's fun. Mila has her two sweets, chocolate covered strawberries and gummy bears. Okay, this looks so good to me. This gourmet snack party mix. I don't know what's in there, but it looks really yummy. Okay, Matt got some blue twist licorice. They have so many different sour belts. These ones look so pretty to me. Watermelon, yummy. It's all priced per pound, but a lot of fun to look at. We're really enjoying ourselves. Elsie, we were able to request and they put one with Reese's Pieces for her, so yay! They have so many things like fancy olive oils, peppers, so much stuff. Olives, artichokes, tomatoes, all the good jarred stuff. Elsie's getting peanut butter s'more ice cream to go with her apple. Oh my gosh, look at all of these raspberry shortbread cookies. So many different decadent desserts here. Holy moly. Pumpkin whoopie pies? Yeah, I might have to do that myself. Wow, that looks yummy to me. So people I know like to come here and eat. They have a soup bar, which I'm gonna check out. They have these olives and antipesto bars. They have a salad bar, pizza by the slice. Let's see what soup they have. Look at all these options. Smoky poblano and cheese soup. A creamy soup with poblano, corn, red peppers, and smoky chipotle flavors. They have so many things that are like perfect for charcuterie boards, kind of pre-done for you. That looks amazing to me. So many different fun items. And this is where Mom's gonna get her drink, the beer and wine section. Yum. They even have sushi here. So much to pick from. Oh, and they have the coffee milk from Mooville. Lots of different drinks in here. Oh yeah, there's lots of drinks in here. Cheese trays. They have different pasties, which is a local thing that I've actually never had, even though I grew up in Michigan. Lots of yummy items here, different ethnic items. Elsie's getting sparkling juice for her drink. And Kyle, you're getting white grape for yours? Okay, this might be what I get. That looks pretty good to me. A nice drink to go with my soup tonight. Cinnamon cream horchata. Mila picked a non-alcoholic sangria wine. Okay, so Dad picked Jarritos grapefruit. Yummy. Okay, Dad got rainbow dark chips. After much deliberation, I have decided I'm gonna get maple nuts because I love these things and I don't get them often. It seems like a great treat. Yummy. Okay, wild cherry sour, yummy. So we got a few random things that aren't person specific, but for the family. But any guess on our total? I'm guessing $150. Okay, and for my selection, I got soup for my salty. It's a cheese poblano soup. I got the cinnamon horchata, maple nuts, and finally, gourmet covered pretzels. Okay, so Matt got this party mix, the blue raspberry twist, the lemon gummies, and the grapefruit drink. Okay, Elsie's final selections. We have spicy cheddar popcorn. She has raspberry sparkling juice, peanut butter s'more ice cream, and the Reese's Pieces caramel apple. Okay, so Mila has the white cheddar jalapeno popcorn, sangria, sour cherry straws, and chocolate covered strawberries. Okay, Cal he did bulk candy, got a pound of it, right? Spicy white cheddar popcorn, the jalapeno, sparkling white grape juice, and mini gummy bears. Okay, well, we got out. That was a lot of fun. The total was $151.32. My guess was $150, so I feel pretty good about my guess. It was definitely expensive, but we just let everyone pick what they wanted without regards to price because it was a fun once in a while type thing. Won't be back soon to do that, but I'll probably come back soon on my own to do some bulk shopping. I want to get some lentils, dried beans. But I hope you enjoyed that grocery haul. If you want to see what a normal grocery haul looks like, you should check out this weekly Aldi haul, my most recent one right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, down and ciao.